In this video, I'm going to show some examples of how to compare integers. If you ever have trouble with these, draw yourself just a basic number line, put 0 somewhere in the middle, and then go ahead and plot your points. On number 1, we just need to find out which statement is true. Choice A says, is negative 11 less than 1? Negative 11 is far to the left of 0, whereas positive 1 is just a little bit to the right of 0. So that is a true statement. Negative 11 is less than 1. Question 2, which statement is true? The first one says we're comparing negative 3 to negative 6. So here's approximately negative 3. And negative 6 is going to be farther to the left. So it's going to be somewhere over in here. Negative 6 is less than negative 3, which means negative 3 is greater than negative 6, so that is out. Choice B is comparing negative 3 to negative 14. My number line isn't quite long enough to show negative 14, but it would be somewhere right over here or so, negative 14. And negative 3 is greater than negative 14. It's closer to 1 whole, so this choice is out. And then question C says comparing negative 6 to negative 14. Negative 6 is to the right of negative 14, so it is greater. Our answer is choice C. And question 3 asks us to use less than, greater than, or equal signs to make the statement true. We're comparing negative 11 and negative 2. Negative 2 is approximately right here. So negative 2 is to the right of negative 11. So negative 2 is greater than negative 11, or we could read that as negative 11 is less than negative 2. One other recommendation, if you have trouble with the horizontal number line, draw you a vertical number line like this and plot your points on it, again with a 0 somewhere in the middle. And then you can think of each of these integers as temperatures, and that might make it a little bit easier for you just because we have so much experience knowing that at negative 14 degrees is colder than negative 6 degrees, for example, or negative 11 degrees is colder than negative 2 degrees.